Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a brake shoe on a Honda CT70. So once you remove the wheel bolt, the brake hub should just pop right out, like this. So to remove the brake shoe, you want to pull it apart away from the hub. Just like that. So here's the old brake shoe, and we're going to start assembling the new brake shoe by putting these springs on through these little holes right here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now we're just going to put the brake shoe into the brake hub again. You just kind of have to line it up and it should go right in. Now we're just going to tighten the brake to make it tight. Alright guys, so that's how you change out a brake shoe on a Honda CT70. So yeah.